Hello everyone, my name is Givmo Magujo, and today I want to show you how you can download the Python application. So navigate to Google, and on Google search bar type Python, hit enter, and on the search results click here welcome to python.org. This will lead us to the python.org website, so you are free to explore and navigate the python.org website. You can read some cool stuff here. Now we want to download the Python application, so click on the downloads menu, and this will give us a drop down, and I'm using Windows computer, so I'll go on and download this Windows the Python application that is compatible with Windows. So if you're using Mac, then you have to click on this and then download the Python application that is compatible with Mac. So I'll just click here. As you can see, Python application is downloading. So thank you guys for watching. This is all there is to it.